bring her back to idle. And take it out of gear. You have to shut it off to get it out of gear? Okay. This boat has an inner shift cable issue, and it got filled up with water because the boot's bad. And the inner shift cable's tight, so when you put it into gear, it tries to kick the shift interrupt and kill the motor. So it doesn't want to come out of gear either. Go ahead and try dropping it in gear, see what happens. You have to see you feather it. So it's going to have a carburetor issue. Go ahead and back her back down. And without feathering it, go ahead and just give it a 3/4 throttle. So that's the accelerator pump not squirting extra gas. For it to come up on RPMs, you have to sit there and feather it, squirt some gas in there. But the main reason that we took it to the lake today is this engine was the one that had about 3/4 of extra fluid, milky oil in it. So we're really just checking to make sure that the engine doesn't fill up with water, because we're not quite sure about a crack block or anything. So we're gonna take it back to the shop, let it sit, and see if the oil level's grown, because we put the oil level, sucked it out to the right level, and so we'll let it sit and then recheck the level. Go ahead and start her up one more time. I had a question of timing, but the timing must be right on because it's not dieseling and it's starting right up. So I'm pretty sure we got the timing right on. And I guess this is about the end of what we need to find out.